Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on Wormhole. On the 7 day time frame chart, the price on Wormhole is still moving inside this falling wedge pattern and making several attempts to break it out. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this red line that is the EMA 21, the exponential moving average 21 resistance. And at the same time, it is also forming the right shoulder of an inverse head and shoulder pattern. That is a bullish reversal setup. This was the left shoulder, and here we have the head. And right now it is forming the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here we have the neckline. You can see that right now it is trying to break out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And we will also take a look at this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Wormhole that I shared a few hours ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Wormhole that I shared a few hours ago with my members. And that is a bullish Garley move that Wormhole was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. The buying on, sell targets on the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that as expected, the price line dropped more down and ended the buying on. And I'm expecting that soon it can start a reversal from here. And before that, we got recently almost 38% pump, and that was another bullish Garley move that Wormhole completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. The buying's on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And by the way, this move I shared a few days ago on 22nd of August 2025 with my members. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line once again drop down here, entered the buying zone, then we had a pump, and then we had a bigger pump, and this was almost 38% pump. And before that, recently we got another almost 41% pump, and this was a bullish cipher move that Wormhole completed on a 1-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And by the way, this move I shared in the previous in the month of July, on 13th of July 2025. And this was a complete trade setup. Buying's on, sell targets on the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very powerful reversal from this buying's on and rallied beyond the sell target. And this was almost 41% pump. And before that, in the same month of July, we got almost 33% pump as well. And this was a bullish AB equal to CD move that Wormhole completed on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started another very nice reversal. First, it dropped more down. Then we had a nice reversal. And this was almost 33% pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart of Wormhole. And here on the 7 day time frame chart, you can see that the movement is now quite squeezed inside this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Since after the month of April 2024, it is moving inside this wedge. Now, it is also forming an inverse head and shoulder pattern. That is another signal that this time the price can break out the wedge. And now you can see that it is trying to break out the neckline, this EMA 21 resistance, and the resistance of the wedge. In case of breaking out, the first target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern will be here. That will be approximately at 24 or 25 cents. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.